welcome to another video. So guys, for this one I want to talk to you guys about the power of learning to do everything yourself. And even though it seems like a simple concept to understand, guys, it's you'll be surprised how many people really haven't grasped this and taken it to their advantage. Look, one thing you guys need to know is every rich person out there in the world that you know of, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, even Donald Trump, guys. I mean, all these people, they've done everything themselves. Everything that they've ever made has come from their own skill set, their own ideology, their own knowledge of things, and they've made something out of that. Yes, if they, when they start making the companies, yes, he's expanded by asking for loans and asking for other contributors to assist. But the core of their companies, guys, comes from them. They're the ones who did something with what they knew and expanded it to what it is now. And that's basically what I want you guys to know, guys. It could be something as big as that, as making your own company, or it could be something as small as learning how to cook, learning how to fix your own car. It amazes me how many guys out there don't know how to change a tire. The first thing that my dad ever taught me about a car was just that, how to change a tire. But now that, men out there and many people out there have services like AAA. When you buy a new car, recently they give you their service center where their roadside assistance. And I don't know, guys, to me that I don't use it. I have it, but I don't use it. And you will never see me use it unless I really need to. Just recently, I remember when my sister, her car got a flat. My family wanted to go and call the AAA because, they have that and they're paying for it. But I told them, why wait for them when it might take an hour for them to get there when we could do it ourselves? It literally took us 10 minutes to get it all done, fix her car, get up and running so you could take it to a tire shop. And it felt great. Honestly, it felt great. And right after, we had a blast talking about it. Like, oh, good thing we did that decision. Not wait a whole hour for, freaking AAA to come. But that's my point, guys. Learn to do things yourself. When it comes to cooking, I love cooking. When I go out, and let's say I meet a girl, I'm not going to be triggered if she doesn't know how to cook. Well, yeah, I kind of will be because, in my opinion, everyone should know how to cook, the basics at least. But, she doesn't know how to cook, in an extravagant meal or so forth, or she's not the best cook ever. I'm not going to be tripping about it. Because I at least know how to cook. I know how to make my own food. I'm not dependent on other people. And that's where you guys should be too. Don't depend on other people to get you places. Learn to do everything yourself. Well, not everything, but the majority of things, learn to do it yourself. For example, this channel. When I first, I saw it for help. Not for help, I saw it for, people who were already in the game, who knew of methods that I could do or I could learn so I could implement it when I started my channel. And that's literally, I saw for help. They didn't help. Well, they helped me, but they helped me in the way where they didn't, hold my hand throughout the whole process. No, they taught me ways and taught me of things that I could go explore to learn the things I know now. My mentor right now, which again, shout out to Masculinity, Kyle Johnson. He's helped me out so much. He's not the kind who's gonna walk, hold your hand and through every single step. He will give you what you need to learn. You learn it yourself, and you implement it to the things that you need to implement in it. Just recently, he gave me great advice. He said, hey, instead of worrying about, how to do YouTube videos or topics, ideas, or so forth, start watching videos about how successful people and their mindset and how it works. Guys, it's been a game changer. I've learned so much in the past 24 hours of how rich people, how their mindset operates, and how, literally, even celebrities. There be, just recently, Adele, she posted a picture of her losing weight. So many freaking people commented hate comments on that post. Last time I checked, there was almost at 200,000 comments on it, and some of them were hate comments about why she lost weight. Do you think she cares, guys? No. She went to go learn how to lose weight for her own health benefits. She learned it. She implemented it into her own lifestyle, and she's got the body she has now. That is a high quality woman right there, and she doesn't need anybody's help. I mean, she did it herself. Instead of paying, maybe she paid thousands of dollars, for someone to teach her to guide her to it, but she learned how to do the basics herself, which is what amazes me on how far you get by doing things yourself. But again, you think she cares about what you think, guys? And this is what I just recently learned through the videos I've been watching. Rich people don't care. People who are already there, they're not going to hold your hand to, get to where they're at. They will show you things that you can learn, but then you have to go learn it. You have to go master it. Coach Corey Wayne has a book of how to master yourself. That is an amazing read. If you guys have the money and time for it, I recommend you guys read it because it will open your eyes and your minds to such a vast majority of mindsets of how they operate, how rich people operate, how successful people who have good companies operate. But it all comes because they've took the time and the initiative to learn it themselves, which is what we all have to do. We all have to take that initiative to learn the basics and expand from it. Focus your mind on one thing and expand your knowledge on it until it becomes successful in your own life. But until then, guys, don't quit. Don't just quit and, walk away from it. Always learn. Always expand yourself. Always improve yourself. That's what this channel is about, improving yourselves. And all it takes is 1 hour a day, maybe even 10 minutes to watch a video, but always learn something new. Don't wait for someone to hold your hand and walk you to it. No, learn it yourself. But yeah, guys, I don't want to go to big ass rant. That is it for this video. Guys, if you liked the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Later.